What's up guys, welcome back to Kiera TV, and if you are new, you're just watching this channel, hi, welcome to the gang. I am Kiera, this is Cherry, and this is Shavi. So yeah, welcome to a new movie. Well, we try our best to make you enjoy that one year. We kind of do a little thing different, and it is also in memory of my sister. Something simple like this happened to my sister, not really exactly like that, but simple like this. So subscribe, like, share if you are new. Turn on the post notification bell so you can get notification as we drop a new movie. I need at least probably 2 male and 1 male, 2 female actors in Port Antonio, Portland, who live near town. Yeah guys, so as we say, do that, and I want to go over to some channel. Now 3 channels for me. There is Top Coat, I'm not sure if that's a name, but I'm one of my friends them from town. Big up yourself. I'm going to put the link down in the description box below and say why I'm if shout out in channel film. So I do that. I want my channel name Mark's Journey. One more Portlander, he is a farmer, Mark's Journey. The link I got also down in the description box below. You can watch him video them. He show you things about farming, the process and so, tips and so, about fertilizing and something. Yeah, so go over to Mark's Journey, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. The link I got down in the description box below. Go over to Top Coat channel, link I go also down in the description box below. And finally, Roshan and Janelle TV, go over there, subscribe, show no love. We soon start post content often. Yeah, so big up on yourself. Thanks for the support. All of us appreciate the support.
Yes, we do.
Alright, so big up on yourself. Open and enjoy movie. Peace out.
Peace out.
Bye guys.
Mommy, I eat candle.
Yes, my dear. Sweet man. How are you going with you now?
You know, so me there don't me go me come go down to school now. But me want to talk to you about something first, cause some college representatives are coming to school today, and we don't know so we can afford it already. So what me I go do? Me I go apply for scholarship. Me promise you, me I go try my best. And I go work hard and make sure so me get it. So if I nothing and I want your help or I want you ask you no question about nothing, I will call you and keep you updated.
I'm glad to hear that, my dear. I wish you all the best, and I hope you will do very good, and that you'll be successful. Take care now. God go with you.
Alright, mommy, thanks. So me I go now, so later.
Alright, darling.
you come from? Me I walk up and I look for you everywhere.
Girl, me just a come from up here, yeah, they might tell me say gone already. And me say me a walk come down here, so.
So anyways, I'm excited about today because you don't know what I say. The college representative did my come. Girl, I'm excited bad. Which one of the college am I going to apply for?
Girl, me excited bad. Me can't wait because I know me a get through and me a go left the place there.
Well, I'm kind of a little bit sad because you have an opportunity if you can pay, but me have to apply for the scholarship. But me afraid and I wonder because what if me not get through the scholarship, then you alone gone and then me just there alone by myself. And I really want to make my mother proud because she really work hard.
Girl, stop the fooling shit. Two we gonna get through and two we gonna go foreign and live the best life. And then we done college over there, we just go start work over there and make beer money. So stop boy, you not get through with nothing. We are get through, believe in yourself. You know what I'm to you. You know you got this, man.
I really appreciate your faith in me, even though I always doubt myself. I don't know why I always do it. But thanks for always be the best friend.
No redhead on a bunch.
You know, say how she gone on the road to forward back though. Like she gonna run some errands and things, you see me?
I don't know if mommy did tell about me put in my form today. Apply for scholarship for go to college up, so you know me always want to go. So
Well, yeah, you know, that's a good news still for you, so you finally apply. Look how long it takes if you apply. But you have the education, you know. So, you know, I'm sure so you will get through.
alright big bro, thanks. So I go eat.
So tired.
Mommy, morning, what happened?
Why you know what time now you talk about morning? I saw night now, you know.
Boy, right now, I just all wake up. Never know. See there, yeah. But yeah, you know, see how me and Leah they talk and like she tell me say she gonna apply for the college and thing, you know. You see me? I like the move the way she making it, you see me? Cause you know, see how my thing these stay at school, you know. So you know, I'm just happy say how you know she not become like me. She actually come out to something better, and that's really good, really good.
She tell me about it and she do it already. And it seems like she when come make life better for the whole of it. And me appreciate that.
Yeah man, cause I tell you you see from me know that little girl from she small and grow up, she just always in her book. Just always in her book, you see me? Yes. She come out well educated with all the subjects, you know. It's good to know see how she gonna put her life to proper use, you know. I never know her career, you know. Honestly, I never know what she want to become. You see? But I just hope see how she get the scholarship and actually get to go to college so she can become something good in life. You know, it's good for we have like a doctor or a nurse or a lawyer in our family, you know. So we have a good name. Yeah, I tell you.
I'm glad say boy she put her head to her lesson and she really reach to that in her life. And she have to be careful of a friend because these days friend and never friend again. Just hope she will continue upon the same road where she depend.
Yeah man, I mean, yo, she careful with her friend. Yeah, just one friend me see her with, just one. You know, and her best friend from primary school days. So she not really par with friends, so you know nothing for her about at all with her friend them. You know, she just have one friend. And it seems like her friend that help motivate her even though she had the party type, isn't it? But yeah, you know, the friends seem cool. I'm kinda like your friend too.
Anyway, I'm glad say it work out that way there. And as a light bill, I think about $2,000 for the light bill.
Alright, now watch your face, mommy. I go out the road, mostly $2,000 forward back. I'm just make a pay light bill. See?
Alright.
Which one are they? You can come on and me out, please. Me feel sick, like me can't go to school today, but me have one project for going. You can come bring it with me. Alright.
How am I missus?
I don't know, but my head hurt me and my belly.
Mine not Ali. Mine is something, you know, where you feel sickish.
You always talk some foolishness. See work, yeah.
What is it?
I'm a science project.
Alright.
Just give teacher for me, please.
Some would have carrying work for her. If you get more marks than me, she mad too. Get rid of this. Each of you here.
Girl, we have end of term exam. Where do you supposed to study?
Girl, me soon go and go study. Me can't study straight through. Me know you like you. How long are you there study?
Girl, you know my style already. Wake up 6 in the morning, study from 6 to 10. Then me take one break, eat and come back right here. So me tell you already, me have to make my mother proud. I'm enough something. Me see my mother go through in her life, me I tell you. The amount of things what she do. She do living work, she do housekeeping, she do chef, she clean bathroom, janitor, she paint people house, she clean up yard. If you make me reach, yes, I have to make me up them things here and make me reach the college and me reach. Me have to make you proud. Me have to get some, me have to do this. Sorry, but we can't waste no time. Top priority right now.
Well, I not kill out myself I study so long. Cause when I got exam, I'm sure say half a way study now on the paper. So I know why you kill out yourself so. What I'm saying, man? Come here, take a walk, man. And come back later, come study. Come on, man. Come here, you go road. You just ever eat up in our house, man.
Girl,
come.
we have end of
Me no matter. Come on. We are going road. Sure. Can't deal with you. Come on, man. Sure.
Girl,
you just
but we
ever
have
eat
end
up.
of term.
It no matter.
Shabby, tell her say. Shabby, tell her say me can't go road because me have end of term this week. Please, please, please.
Tell her say she need to go to enjoy herself. She not even have no man. Look man her, man.
Me enjoy myself.
You don't enjoy yourself.
Man can't help me with school.
So you don't want a little boyfriend. We just like to do sit down all day.
You know one little boyfriend.
Yeah man, tell you, if you go on out man, you see me man, every day just there just in this book. You see if every day you study, you go mad, something you have to go out, you know, give your head some space. You see me, go enjoy yourself man, you see me. You know, we might go out and find all one man too. You see me?
See? Me never wrong.
Shabby, seriously? As a big brother, I expect you to take up for me. You take up for you. I guess you have a crush on her or something.
Well, I mean, yeah, you know, a long time with the high is your best friend, you know, but through your best friend, you know, I'm just afraid to say something to her. But of course, yeah, you know, I find her very attractive. And I want to start something serious with her, of course. No doubt.
Really?
Ew, no. I can't imagine my brother and my best friend get fine. We got run then bye.
I say, you go on, sister, go on, someone, you know, your best friend become your sister-in-law. What am to you?
No, go on.
No, sir, what I'm saying, man.
Tell you, I'm proud of you. I'm glad all you are going. You are going very good. I remember me say, no make no friend lead you astray. Continue to focus in your book and make nothing distract you. Okay?
Yeah, mommy, I really say thanks, but still, me like it college still because the classroom they not did that far and the teacher they nice and the work they not really that hard. Plus, me not find no friend because I just reach out. So my friend girl when me see there, they not really look that friendly. So I just stay by myself, focus on my book and make a pro. That's my main option right now. That's my main focus. And that me a focus on to make you proud.
Well, I'm glad for hear say you now follow my friend again. But you decide your mind to just focus on your book. And if you continue that way there, you will do very well. Okay? And we can be in a better position that way in right now. Okay?
Alright, mommy. Anyways, the teacher didn't give me enough work today. Even though we second week in a college, me have end of terms, me them I say. Me don't know, one bag of story. So me go in, go study and go and do it homework them. So when you don't cook, you call me.
Alright. Love you.
Love you too.
Hello. Yes, man, I know what you're calling about. And I exactly know what you're calling about. Yes, man. I know just how to fix that problem. $100,000 to deal with. Okay. There is a bush behind you, behind your house, that is springing. You need to chop down that tree. Bathe in it for 3 days. Yes, 3 days. And when the bathe, don't dry off. Alright? Don't dry off. Alright. I may need my money. Alright. Take care. Stop right there, sir. Take off your shoes, there.
But you have on your shoes.
Don't watch me. Me tell you, take off your shoes, take off your shoes. Holy ground you're coming in. Them messy part in the sanctify. Thank you very much, man. Me know where they are for either, but stay the purpose.
More give me something to make people sleep and can't wake up till a certain time. No matter what you do, then can't wake. No matter your box and kid, then can't wake up.
You want to sleep permanently or a short period of time? Talk to me.
A short period of time. Enough to make them can't go nowhere for the entire day. For one whole day. Them have to sleep.
Then that not so like your man you want to, you know, man. But anyways, I got something for you. You have money?
Yeah, me have a little bit of money around here. How much will I charge for you give me that now?
Like, why you look so nice? I'm going to take a 30,000, you know. Where you stay?
Can't short the 5 grand. Me go have 25.
Me can short you one night sleep. Eh? Me a short you one night sleep. No ramp with money, I short money. Oh. 30,000, how you go?
Alright man, me I give you 30,000 though.
Go behind the zinc, it's one pot, drop the money there and come back. I'm telling you, short money, short need $1,000, but it's alright. I'm going to give you something still. I have something here for you. So this yeah? Put you under your bed when I go. Make you stay under it till you rotten. Here? Or when me hug you? Nah, go home.
You just come in your phone and say, we have exam, you know, we have finals, you know. You always on your phone, you're supposed to study and book up and you're not even look for nothing. One thing.
Mrs. How that I go bother you? You want study, do you think no? Me alright, you know. Right say when me I do a benefit me. Studying make you feel like you are go pass. So continue to studying. Me watch my phone. No worry about me man. Sure you see me always pass my exam them. Lady leave me alone.
Oh, me are best friend. But I feel like say disrespect right now. But if you not study and do your exam then you go done. So you know come out. You want the parole like them girl yourself? Your mother they are foreign, you know when I come out about girls, all you do is waste out your mother money. Phone, Snapchat, TikTok, every day. Me and a friend, me want come out to something and me want Goofy come out to something always too. The thing say, because we just want you to read book and help me read book, no, I want good feel too. Me alone can go upstate, you have to come too.
Avoid me no, you do your thing. Do your thing now study. Me say, all what me I do affect you. If me sure say me ever sell enough, me can buy you and everything that's within it. I go leave me alone.
What? Really? You really say that out of your mouth? Me know one of my best friend at the prostitution on the roadside. But that I go. Me can help you, you know. I understand so you're not really bright also, but me can help you, yeah? Me can help you. So you're not have to feel no way. I can help you. Just let me help you, please. Me don't want to see yourself. We have that one. If you sell, you can buy me everything else. What kind of lifestyle that you want to live, girl?
No disrespect. You're my best friend, yes, and thing, but you love one like you're better than people. What? Can you study like a big book if you say better than me? Matter of fact, me I go to my yard, because me and somebody call up to me.
Hey, girl. Oh.
Yeah, me like it there.
Well, of course, me tell girl, you know, for me, I have to walk up on the hill, then down on the road again. Actually, we live nearer to the school, make me forward till I want to reach early tomorrow, because I can't miss the exam, and the exam are very important to me. Because you know my things set already, so that's why I say I can't stay with you.
You know you're welcome down here anytime, girl. So we're going to do tonight. Bust a brain fan so because that's all you're good for. You know, I'm not better for the one that slung and go through book right through. From one little exam, you're going to kill yourself over. And I ain't not worried if you even feel the exam, I don't know why you behave so strong.
Girl, we I mean bust my brain. Remember I said from a little bit of grass on stay, you know, I always book education for me, nothing more, nothing less. Me have to do this. Anyways, your Wi-Fi work?
Well, my Wi-Fi ever work, you know, but I can't nobody know why I make it in a book. Nobody know why. That's it, even in a book, okay, girl. Somebody know what I'm telling you. But you got study. Goodbye, you too.
Me don't care if nobody don't want me. Me know what me want. Me love myself. So who don't want to love me, that is fine with me. Anyways, you can put in your Wi-Fi password in this, please. Me have something we need to submit right now.
Nobody want my best friend. Shit, I head too big. Anyways, you want something to drink?
Yeah, because I'm thirsty.
Alright, so I go for some juice for you. Boy, you're gonna do exam. Watch me, you know. See your juice here.
Thanks. The laptop dead. I didn't have turn around.
So turn on, man. Now you want to go study?
Boy, come up. Me have something to send in 5 o'clock. What time now? What time now?
I don't know.
Oh, this tastes so sweet. What you put in there?
I don't put nothing in there.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh.
We are trying to put something in the juice.
I do make girl. You must say so orange out. Anyways, you ready for exam tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm ready for the exam, auntie. Ready a long time, you know that too. So we put on your juice for. Drink up my juice and you come in here content boy thirsty. Drink up my juice. Now waste my juice, you know?
Girl, relax on me. I don't drink your drinks.
Drink your juice. Put the juice in
Wait,
here.
no, I'm gonna just send this. Wait.
You can't drink your juice before you send it.
Girl, but me just have to just send this. Wait a little bit now.
Drink your juice. Put the juice in your head now.
Alright, fine. Gosh. See there? It done now. Happy? Gosh.
Yes.
Okay, I was sending me something, please. You know, some feel like I study too much.
Yes.
I feel like I want to sleep right now.
No, go and go sleep. You see big way there, so go and go sleep if you want to sleep. You know what I'm telling you? It's a bust your brain, so. Sure.
Girl, I can't sleep. I have to submit this. Plus, your Wi-Fi even slower. I'm taking this. I'll just make that go and load. I'm going to sleep. Get me a box of macca, please.
Alright.
What? 10 o'clock and we have exam. Shit. Whoop, answer, whoop. Whoop, answer your phone. What is girl there? Yeah, Miss Examiner. How? I sleep till so late. Girl, look how long me have had you.
You final week? Girl, I know how long me awake you. Me come in and me shake you, me slap you, me kick you at one point, me think I dead you dead. Me at one point me almost call and see if I didn't know what me see say you breathe. Me feel the pulse and see say you breathe, girl. You know your phone alarm out rotted, me put your ears and you still not awake. And you're fast enough, you study too much. Me wake you even time I come out of the house to go do exam. Me I wake you. I sleep. Me don't know what go on for you. Me tell you say you study too much now, but no, you don't want to believe me. See? That reach you. That a consequence of your own action. You don't want to listen to me. So see what happen now? You can't even go do exam again. So what you gonna do?
Hope when me can never try hard and me can't miss the exam as me tell you. When me go tell mommy say she go say me should have gone a friend yard if it did there and me yard, me would have wake and me go do the exam. What me go do? Jesus Christ.
Girl, where you ball for? Cause a matter of fact, everything when me see you study from what you not even come for your exam. So me know where you ball for. So good thing you not even come. You would pass anyway. So where you make up your nice for. You study everything where you study, not even one of them no come on the paper. So that still fail. So tap your ball in.
How you would know when you not even take up book none at all? Well, time last night a phone you depend. How you would know? YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram. How you would know?
My girl, you are talk about me to take up book and me for that TikTok or whatsoever. Girl, remember you know, a bare English over here study, you know. When we get the paper maths, the panel say you would still feel because I never maths you study. So I don't know why your problem, you would still feel anyway you take it. So I don't know why your problem, girl.
Quote me can't believe you. You see how long me dey up last night and study. Me tell you say, me come to stay with you so that we can reach early. And you go tell me say, me a study for wrong. Not even that as bad. You make me there sleep the whole time. And I know say you don't wake me because I don't sleep that day and I don't feel you shape me nor nothing.
So when you are trying to implement, so me never even try to wake you. See what I say, I touch you down talk. I say, girl, you there sleep dead. What more you want here? Yeah, me wake you, know? Why mood make you go do the exam? Why mood make you go do the exam? You be like you that bright. Girl, me wake you, the deaf. Besides that exam, the whole lot, you never bright enough to pass anyway. So why your problem? Me wake you. And you don't choose to wake. How you know if you sleep dead or not?
You know what? I'm not even going to argue with you. May I leave your place. You know what I realize with you? You say I'm best friend, but I realize say you don't mean me no good. May I leave your place. Thanks for your hospitality.
What ahead? Cause then you take you out the pass. So go on home to your mother. Go on now. We are come up and wait man. Go on. Go by your backside to go out the pass. I'm a drug girl.
Hello?
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Is this Miss Valerie?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay. I'm calling in regards to hear me?
Yeah, cut. Yeah, cut. Hello?
You hearing me?
No, you're cutting. You're...
I'm calling in regards to your daughter, Cyaah.
Okay, I'm hearing you now.
Yeah, she missed an Pilates teacher. I have never seen her miss an exam, especially one this important. So I want to know what's really the issue and why didn't she make it to the exam?
I can't understand this. Oh, Talia for miss an exam. It's what's going on. Really, me have to go really find out.
That's what I'm trying to figure out too, because she never missed an exam.
Okay, thanks for calling. I will see about it.
And let her give me a call too, okay?
Alright.
Alright, thanks.
You're welcome.
Have a good evening.
Same to you. I got a message from your teacher that there was a very important exam and you didn't turn up for it. Talia, where were you?
Mommy, remember the day when time I asked her to go up a Hope Yard? Because I tell me they have an exam and I reach early and Hope live nearer. And that day there, but in the morning, I never wake up. I wake up later and I miss the exam and Hope said she did that try to wake me because I did study from Hope late in the night and Hope said she did try to wake me and I never did that wake. So I miss the exam.
She never did a try to wake you none at all. And lie she tell I me not believe that.
Mommy, you always a turn pan Hope. You can't blame me for once. I'm wrong in this situation because I did up late, I study for true and I never remember to set my alarm. So I never wake up. Every time I just blame Hope. What Hope do you?
If you just stay here and hope beer when me tell you everything will be alright, you'd have reached more than exam.
Mommy, why your problem? I just want to examiner. I don't know why teacher could even call you for. We just not be extra over some situation.
What do you mean just want to exam? You're not easy. Exam is important.
Alright, mommy, alright, don't know.
At the same thing make you miss the exam. If you did hear what I say, you don't mix the exam. And furthermore, not kiss your teeth at me because me in a size.
So we going to know? Not even dog.
Me not know if you say to you, you know. You're right to say you're a dog, and that is what you is.
Talia, hear me out, no man. We are move like idiots, so. Me and your best friend, man. Hear me out, no?
You just want to say me and your best friend after we do me? Fine, let me hear what you have to say. Let me hear your stupid excuse. Miss Hope.
Talia, me the actually really try wake in the morning, but because you're tired and you study so much, you oversleep. Because me the actually try wake you, you're tired and oversleep, you know. Because I really try to wake you. More than nothing like that.
Hope. You said that 50 times up here and I still not believe you. Expect me to believe you now? Poor excuse. Come again. What is your excuse? You make me miss my exam. You know say I could do miss that the exam. You know say me did have to do it. Why your excuse?
Girl, me try to wake you up. And matter of fact, why you a blame me? You could have blamed myself too, you know, because you could have set your phone for alarm, because you could have even set the laptop for alarm, and you know, set none of them. Me try to wake you if you go do your exam just the same. Me get up off of my own. You could have surely get up off your own too, you know. So I know why you be so you could have get up off your own and set the alarm just the same. By the way, me and the alarm clock and you're your own big woman. So if that exam did that important, you could have wake up off your own.
That's true. That's true way you talk still. Sorry for you, my baby. But you're really out of place. And I'm sorry. Don't know if you can find it in your heart to forgive me.
I accept your apology and I'm apologizing for the way I behaved because I could have dealt with the situation much better, but I did not, so I'm sorry and also to blame.
It's okay, I'm a best friend anyway. Can't vex you for long. Where did I go?
Don't go nowhere.
Me did I go pray to buy ice cream? Come?
Alright, come on. Yo, Tally, stay right here so you know, don't move. Me I go up the road and come back.
Alright.
Later. Go forward.
Sorry.
Yo, Shabby. Yo, your sister down the road with man, you know. I'll go up and kiss up well nice, you know. You want to see two of them. Me just left them around there. So you can't even go on there, go look for yourself. And you see your sister well got man around there, you know.
My sister on a road with man, I must lie, you tell me. Let me know me left my sister up here and study. You know what you talk about, you know.
So believe you not believe me. Why am I not life on the business? Me tell me for our day, you know, she not interested in that school again. A man she interested in her. Yeah, can talk. But go on, you go look yourself. If you don't want to believe, she the round there. And you want to stay for like me, I tell.
Alright. I take your word for it. I go go on there, I go see if I see her and make a lie, you tell. Watch me and you. That friendship will go cut off between me and my sister. Yo, what you do here, so? You sit down here up on the little corner here for? What you do here, so?
Shabby, you always go like you're my father. I hope me there so wait pan.
What do you mean by hope you wait, man? I sit down on the little corner with them boy there smoke weed and them something there and look where you in at all. Man can walk past and just look upon you and them look something. Go up in the yard, man, and put on something better. I want to go study for your exam.
First of all, me can wear anything I want. Not because me there in a college means say me a pick me, and not because you're bigger than me means say you can talk to me anyway. I rode with them and people are pass. You want to embarrass me? Me say I hope me there so wait pan. Me study from morning and I go back up go study after me and hope done do what we are do. So me don't know where you are going so far.
What do you mean by say you can't wear anything you want? You can't wear that when you live under my roof and me pay for your bills and me pay for your education. I want to tell you, little girl, I say go up, go put on something better, and if you come back and wait for hope. Or you meet hope up a yard and make hope. You are now go study for an exam, you have exam. You're not there road for them little something here. I want to tell you, you say I go corner, come go your yard, and I not talk again.
Chappy, me not go nowhere. Me there so I wait for hope. Go on your yard.
Let go from me now.
When they left me out this and I see you soon come back.
So I come up and I have to left from this so when I go and go back, go deal with something. Or what?
Oh girl, sorry about that, I never know. But anyways, you know some brother come house me there. And disgrace me, you know, in front of crowd, you know. He box me in my face, kick me in my bottom and push me go for go on my yard. Or where me for them yard and study. And me there so with man. I do all kind of something. You know what, you're my brother going and disgrace me on road, girl. Right now I grown, I get my mother grown.
Girl, really? What could I really cause him to believe that? And he know how you stay. I don't know who I'm to your brother. Your brother look like him get off, you know, because I don't know what could I cause him to believe something like that.
Exactly my point. Girl, me did feel so humiliated. Me I tell how much people are passing, you know. Yo, we are doing so. A man you want to take a book you for your tape. And him go on with one bag of something. And disgrace me, girl. Me feel so bad. But anyway, still. Me I go somewhere tomorrow, you come?
Girl, me no want to come now with you. Because I must church at some boring place you go. Me no want to go with you. Your life too boring for more go where you go. Girl, no.
Girl, you're just unruly, so you need like a God in your soul. Gosh. Anyways, you still over for dinner?
God there with me all the while. As we walk, God there with me. Why me I go to church for God? I pay hypocrite that church. By the way, how your mother out there cook?
I don't know what she a cook, but come we go check now. You cook with just big and
No, sir.
fresh.
Good evening, Auntie Valerie.
Good evening, madam.
Wow. How are you? Alright. What are you going to do now? I'm too tough.
Talia, they're in our room.
Auntie Valerie, you know, say no, Talia, I come to. Are you? I want to talk to you about something. About Talia. But I don't want her to hear back. So let me tell you.
Well, you could have possibly tell me about my talk about my daughter when me no know.
You know, say Talia my best friend for a long time. Auntie. But Talia changed since she start college. You know well about application for go foreign go college and things. She changed a whole heap. You would even believe the things and what Talia I don't know. You would recognize your own daughter. Come on, me I feel look on her and say, Jesus man, why Talia gone so bad? You would even understand. Talia nowadays start the phone with man long hours. And if like a one man, they say for the one man she talk to with a bad and not so bad. But she talk to her 3 man. She talk to one to get money. She talk to one, but when time she got foreign, she got have him to get her money and thing because they don't have it like that. And scholarship alone can't go feed her all them something because she want to look like that girl. Talk to your daughter. I don't know what it say.
You sure about what you talk about? Eh? My daughter? What me I look up to? We always in our book. You sure?
You don't know your own daughter, you know. You see Talia study for one day, Talia just there round up on her laptop, I text man or something now, she just open the book and behave like she a study. If you start look on her close and realize that she not study, she a text man or she a talk to them. But when she hear you come, she behave like she a study. So I don't know why you make your daughter fool you. You have to watch Talia now, Talia change completely.
Thanks for telling me. I go talk to her and see what can work out.
Talia a work for a scholarship for go overseas. And I doubt she gonna even get a scholarship, you know. Because she not even study like one time. She just did a pretend like she a study no one did a focus on man and stress over them and something. So she not get no scholarship got no foreign. So I don't know what she gonna do, but she not try push on effort for them no at all nowadays. She just a focus on man alone. Anyways, me I can't go man also. Later Auntie Val.
Alright, take care.
Yes, darling. Look. Wow. Dear Cyaah Moore, you have been accepted in the College of University in the United States of America. Your form was submitted on whatever date, and the date for you to is on the 2nd of the 10th, 2022. Mommy, I finally do it. Oh my God, I'm
I'm
excited.
proud of you. I'm so glad, my
That's
dear.
really me glad too.
Praise
But
be
Shabby
to
there.
God.
Shabby! Shabby not there.
No, but me I tell her about that girl that you say are your friend. Be careful of her. Because a best friend I mess up people these days. Be careful of her. You hear what I say?
Mommy, we are talking about hope I'm best friend from primary school days. What now do me nothing? We are talking about careful of friends. Me not understand.
Make this stay in the family, you know. Don't tell no friend nothing, don't tell her anything. Make this stay as a secret amongst the family. You hear what I say?
But mommy, Jerry is my best friend. What do you mean me not fi say nothing to her? Me have to make sure know.
Oh, you mean are your best friend? You don't have to tell her everything. You can't make something stay as a secret.
Alright mommy, anything you say.
All this, you can't hear what I feel. Remember what I tell you say.
Yes, sis, ready with.
Nothing.
Well, yeah, me here say, you get through with the scholarship thing, you know. I mean, congratulations, you see me? Hope you will make something good of your life.
Yeah, thanks. Where you go with bag?
Oh, yo, you know, so we never tell about, you know, me get a work and call center work, you see me? So, more than likely, me just left out for 2 weeks, so me get a day off, come back up, or sometimes me not come up, me just send mommy a little money, you know, to take care of the bills and thing.
Alright, big bro, take care of yourself. I'm curious if you continue to send me credit, because I remember some need to do online work.
Yeah, man, just, you know, just take care of the work and thing. We see each other again, you know.
Alright, bye. Girl, anyways, I have something to tell you. I have to tell you for a long time, but if not true, I'm paranoid and something I tell you, I'm not a trust friend or whatever. But me know
But
say,
what that now?
me know say I'm best friend for one long time, and you not do me nothing. We get the email last week saying I get accepted to go to college, United States of America. I'm so excited. Kid, sorry, I keep it for you for so long still, but you know what?
Me happy for you now, you got fired, my best friend got fired.
Yes, girl, and
Yeah, get
guess
very
what?
good.
And guess what? Me I leave next week.
So boss, yeah,
Yes,
Yeah,
cause I don't know no hard, but it just carry my passport and me get my visa and my backpack and everything, so I go leave next week Monday.
So we had do for you. You have party for you for hour. We had do.
Well, we can go outside.
Outside now. Me say, find out what they go look for you though, no?
Yeah.
You go find one overseas that.
Yes, girl, so which one I pass them here? I'm ready to start flying and rifle walk, you know.
Anyone. We are there, we are go. Oh, I'm gonna get them email all now. And the bit they get email. I must mistake them make and send somebody wrong. No, sir. Me know what I'm gonna do, you know. Me know what I'm gonna do.
Man, you tell me say they all come back, you know. You want me to fear, you know?
More you give me something stronger than what you give me last time. More you give me something for mad out, smarty. Strong enough to mad them out. Mad right out.
Me asked you the last time, you know, if you want something permanent, or you want something short period. You're confused, you know. But you want to know, me I raise the price, but you know, if you don't have 100,000, you can't talk to me. And if I 99,000 you carry, turn back.
No worry about that, man. Me have the money ready for you. I want something for mad them out. I don't want them for dead or asleep. I want them for mad out on the road and walk and them with a garbage bin. I just want something that's strong.
You have the money, you know the regular routine. You go behind the shop, you drop the money in the box, you come back. So go on, come on, I'm not going to go on. Can't keep me picking. Why this sound like a serious matter, you know? Jesus Christ. You know people that nowadays. Me want the money still, so I'm not going to tell her, no? You come. Have a seat and take a sack. Have a seat and take a sack. Stand up. See this? Show ya anybody do away. And then we mad here. And I'm married you now. Leave me place.
Charlie, where are you going? Forward over me, no? Go keep me company now? Yeah, forward? Alright. Yeah. All what I want this spinning no what a clock a strike, you know? And we soon know.
Come here. Easy.
Good evening, what is your problem
Not no problem. I just ask you how you cook.
now? The same thing with me, you plan to cook?
I not go there for dinner because I go stay with the cook because she asked if I can come keep her company. I can go there.
Oh, what me tell you about that, girl? Me not tell us if you leave our company.
But mommy, hope I'm my best friend as me tell her from primary school. I can't just leave her. I remember see she alone up because her mother gone foreign and her grandmother work. She said if I can come keep her company, I can't just come back tomorrow morning.
I warned you about friend the other day, and you not telling. So, I not agree for you go. Our friend I let down people these days, so I would advise you to go in your room, go take your book.
Mommy and Shavit always tell me about book. I been there in my book, I can't get little freedom. I just lock up in a house, so I house rat.
But you have exam, you have studies to do. So you have to live in the book for right now.
So mommy, I can't just go and come back tonight. I not go stay till tomorrow.
Me already tell you no. I mean say no. Go and go take up your book. And about them.
end of the movie. I just want to say thank you for watching the movie. I mean, also I like the movie and then I put whole heap of me in a movie because they rate me. You see me I say, but I don't want to like to see me in a movie enough and then make the thing there. But thanks for support the thing and remember if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Oh, and we are going to build our own channel. So it I got a link I got in the description. So if you don't feel like I don't have the time, just go over there, subscribe to the channel because you don't know say be a bang I go over there said we. You see it? I'm out.